Welcome to our comparison of the MOUNTRAX foot massagers. Today we will explore the features of the FM001 in gray and the FM204 in blue. Both models are designed to alleviate pain associated with plantar fasciitis and neuropathy, offering advanced Shiatsu massage technology. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. Both the gray and blue MOUNTRAX foot massagers offer 16 customizable massage modes, allowing users to adjust the intensity of kneading and air compression. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who require targeted relief for specific foot conditions. The ability to fine-tune the settings ensures a personalized experience for every user. Both models feature an intelligent heat function that can reach temperatures up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, enhancing the overall massage experience. This heat function is particularly effective for improving circulation and relieving muscle stiffness, making it an essential feature for users with chronic foot pain. While both foot massagers share identical functionality, their aesthetic appeal differs. The FM001 in gray offers a classic look, while the FM204 in blue presents a more modern and vibrant appearance. Choosing between them may come down to personal preference in color and design. In conclusion, both the MOUNTRAX FM001 and FM204 foot massagers provide excellent features for pain relief and comfort. The choice ultimately comes down to your color preference, as both models deliver the same high-quality massage experience. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.